Well, I found one problem. Truck didn't have a fuse right here at all. I didn't have that size fuse. It's a 15 amp. I just threw or I believe it's a 15 amp fuse. I got the little panel right here. Yeah, it's a 15 amp. But I did have a 30 amp circuit breaker, so whatever. But now we have an odometer, hopefully a speedometer as well. But now I gotta climb under and fix those wires for the speed sensor. All right, I got these wires fixed down here for the speed sensor. I need to get some harness tape and clean it up, but for now I can go ahead and test drive it, see if the speedometer works, and see if it shifts better too. Now that the speedo and everything works, let's charge the AC. See if that works. Well, good news, the AC works. Compressor's on. I was gonna say cycling, but it's just on. Pressures are about right. A little over 40. Just under 250, probably about 240 or so. Come over here inside. Let's see here. We got I think it's dropping little by little, but I don't know, 56 or so degrees. Yeah, and it looks like I think it is dropping, because about 5 minutes ago it was 60 degrees. So there we go. A few things knocked out. Odometer, speedometer working. The shift or the transmission is shifting good. I don't know if it was just that by itself, the vehicle speed sensor on the rear end, or all of the above. It all played a factor. I'll get this taken care of eventually, but AC is working. It held vacuum, so shouldn't have any leaks, I hope, unless one of the Schrader valves are messed up. Next thing, probably, besides tires and what else? I think that's pretty much it. Tires and some maintenance. I need to do the maintenance on it. Oil change, fuel filter, check the diff fluids. Trans fluid is good since I did the well, not since my boy did the filter and the trans pan gasket. Sorry, the filter and the trans pan gasket. Next, I want to fix the cruise control. It still wasn't working, so I gotta check that out. But shoot, we're getting somewhere with this thing. So until next time, see y'all later.